Welcome to the standing stretching Pilates routine where you won't even need a mat and you're going to be using the support of a wall. So just make sure you have a stable wall nearby. This is going to be the perfect midday break, or you can add this class onto any other Pilates workout. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. On this channel, there's a variety of different workouts to meet you where you are. So there's more restorative workouts like the one we're going to do today, to more challenging Pilates mat classes. The common thread here is that you can do all of the workouts on this channel at your home. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel yet, you can hit that subscribe button below. If you'd like to be notified the moment a new workout comes out, you can click that bell icon as well. If you're ready to get started with this standing wall stretching class, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and get started standing with one shoulder towards the wall, feet in a parallel position right here, and press your hand, wide fingers, into the wall, arms straight. So you may have to adjust where you're standing, but really press wide fingers, heel of the hand into the wall, and you'll start to feel a stretch through the shoulder maybe, through the wrist, through the entire arm. Opposite arm can reach down to the floor. Inhale and exhale. And as you continue breathing, just really allow yourself to ground down evenly through with the feet. Feel that strength and stretch of your hand against the wall. Your next breath, you're going to start moving pelvis away from the wall, and free arm reaches to the wall, going into a side stretch variation here. And bring yourself right back up. Keep pressing arm into the wall. 2 more times. Taking your breath in. And breath out. And one last time, breath in. Stay here for a few deep breaths now. Breathing out. Keep pushing arm into the wall. And then bring yourself upright. Very nice. Now you're going to scooch away from the wall ever so slightly. So just the fingers are pressing to the wall. Eventually we'll go back full hand. But now pelvis stays square. We're not going to let it lean to the side here. And you're going to push into the wall. You can bend the elbow and stretch over to the wall. So similar, but a little different. And then bring yourself upright. Pelvis stays still. You can bend that supporting arm and stretch over to the wall. And bringing yourself upright. And one last time. Finding that breath. Staying here for a few more deep breaths in to out. And then bringing yourself up. Very nice. Now you're going to come much closer towards the wall and stagger your legs. So the leg closest to the wall is going to be in front, your opposite leg behind. Your pelvis is going to stay pointing straight forward the entire time as your hands come near your shoulders, and you rotate, rotate, until hands can press into the wall. You may want to move a little closer. So you're finding an even press with your arms. Keep pelvis trying to point straight ahead rather than rotating to the wall. And go back to your deep, nourishing breaths. Breathing in. Breathing out. To continue breathing, notice where you're experiencing the breath travel to, what areas are experiencing the rotation of this stretch. You can gently shake the head if you'd like. Sometimes that feels good for the neck. And your next breath, unwind, and we're going to do the same sequence second side. So turn around, face the second side here. Feet parallel, you're stepping away from the wall to begin with. Wide fingers once again, and press hand into the wall. Trying to get heel of the hand into the wall. Make adjustments with the feet and legs as it feels comfortable for you to. And opposite arm reaches long down to the floor. Keep breathing in and out here, pressing arm. This is a wonderful stretch to do if you sit at the computer often, or if you're looking on gaining more mobility into the wrist for all the plank work that we do. Next time you breathe, allow your pelvis to press over to the side and inhale, side stretch, side reach over. And bringing yourself back upright. We'll do that 2 more times. Reaching, stretching, lengthening. And bringing yourself up. And one last time. Reaching on over. And up. Very nice. Now you're going to scooch away just a little bit so the fingers are on the wall again. Heel of the hand is lifted for right now off the wall. And then start bending in towards the wall. Pelvis stays where it is and go into your side stretch. Just a slightly different expression with the pelvis staying still. And bring yourself up. And repeat, reach and elongate over. And bringing yourself up. And this last time, if you'd like, you can stay here for a few deep breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. Your next breath, bring yourself upright, very nice, and we'll come closer into the wall. Stagger the legs. The leg closest to the wall is in front, opposite leg behind. Pelvis stays reaching straight in front of you, hands near the shoulders, and rotate towards one side. Hands may contact with the wall. Keep breathing in and out. Feel your strong legs. Press into the wall. Pelvis stays pointing in the same direction, so not allowing it to rotate to the wall. Whatever areas feel like you can send breath and allow them to soften, feel free to do that. It could be the brow line, the throat, the shoulders. So you continue breathing, unwind, and now you're going to face the wall. So facing the wall, take both hands pressing firmly into the wall. One foot comes back behind you. And bend the front thigh. You can wiggle that back foot further back and reposition the hands so it really feels like your hands are pushing into the wall slightly. Press down into that back heel so you're feeling a stretch with the calf. Breathing in. Breathing out. And you can play around. Maybe you want to lean a little bit more forward. Maybe you want to be more upright with the spine, but no work in the back right now. So sometimes that forward position will get more sensation in the leg and at the same time help you get out of gripping the back. Continue breathing in and out. And next breath, take that front leg to straight. And you're going to start bringing your forearms to the wall. They may reach all the way down, they may not. Press in to that front foot, the ball of that foot, and the forehead, if it feels comfortable, place it on the wall. So your forearms and your skull are pressing into the wall. And if you want more stretch, you're going to bring your hands and your head down a little bit more. Getting a little stretch into that front thigh. Continue breathing in and out. Your next breath, bring yourself upright, and we'll switch out sides. So opposite foot goes back behind you into that lunge. Both hands, power into the wall. Feel your strength here. Finding your deep breath in and out, pressing into back heel. Continue breathing. And again, you can lean forward a little bit. Sometimes that lean forward not only helps you stretch the back of the leg and get out of your back, but now it's like, oh, your arms are working a little bit harder, a little bit more. That's not a bad thing. Continue your deep breaths, pressing evenly into the feet. And front leg goes straight now. I may pull back a little bit if you'd like. Forearms as an option can go onto the wall. And again, optional, crown of the head presses to the wall. Nice little traction here. Keep breathing in and out. And with that front foot, press the ball of the foot into the floor more than the heel of the foot. Continue breathing in and out. Your next breath, allow yourself to come upright, and one last just awareness exercise to finish it off. You're going to stand away from the wall, and you can walk your feet away a little bit. I prefer my feet away a little bit and knees bent slightly as well. But you can play around with the experience that would benefit you right now. And press your head against the wall, the back of your skull. Feel your arms try to reach back there as well. And notice where the pelvis is against the wall, the upper and middle spine. And just allow yourself to take some breath here. Feel the feet heavy down into the floor. And at the same time, the wall is supporting your spine. The hands can be down or on the thighs. And I want you to take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. Another breath. Nice. Step away from the wall now. Arms by your side. And if you'd like, allow your eyes to close or just have a softer gaze and think soft brow line. So often we carry tension in the brow line. And again, take 3 more deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Just become aware of how you feel now compared to the beginning of that session. And on your 3rd breath out, allow the eyes to open, welcoming the day once again. And if you enjoyed that class, give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me for another Pilates routine soon. Thanks so much for moving with that Pilates class. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment if you enjoyed that routine. You may also like these other recommended Pilates workouts. Always keep coming back to the mat in the way that's best for you.